Welcome to China Partnering event. I'm Brian Yang, the senior editor for Scrip Pharma Intelligence. With me today is Dr. Shuang Liu. Dr. Liu is the co-founder of ConSynance and a startup company based in upstate New York. Welcome to the interview, Dr. Liu.
Oh, thank you, Brian. It's an honor to be here.
Can you tell us about your company, please?
Sure. So, ConSynance Therapeutics, we are emerging drug discovery companies. We focus on compounds to treat unmet medical needs, and we are a small company, so we try to accelerate drug discovery through a lot of strategic collaborations. And so we can't do everything. Actually, we do everything through others. So we think it's just the best way, most effective way for us to more effectively move our programs forward. So currently we have 4 assets in our portfolio. They're all small molecule, first-in-class treatment, ranging from stage-wise from phase 1 completion to late discovery, covering disease area in NASH, fatty liver disease, CNS, diabetes, and the irritable bowel syndrome. So we have several programs, but for three of the programs, my co-founder and I, we are very familiar with the project. We work on them in our previous company, and then we license them out to our company, and we are the main inventors of these programs.
And also, can you please introduce yourself?
Oh, yes, sure. My name is Shuang Liu. I'm a Chinese national. I was born in China. Moved to US 25 years ago for school, and then I stayed in the US, worked in Albany Medical Research for 16 years. About 3 years ago, my co-founder and I, we left our company and founded ConSynance Therapeutics.
And Dr. Liu, since you co-founded this company, what are some motivations, or what when you started up this company, what are you looking for to achieve?
Oh, because I work on pharmaceutical industry for about 20 years. I'm really passionate about drug discovery. And our previous company, because of the business strategic change, so they decide to discontinue drug discovery. And at the time, there is an opportunity come up for me to get some seed fundings to be able to start the company and license in some of the programs we used to worked on, but the company was no longer continuing with them.
Since you mentioned your NASH asset to treat NASH, as you know, NASH is a very hot topic area. A lot of companies are developing candidates. What differentiates your asset from others?
Yeah, that's certainly. So our NASH compounds are targeting manolin concentrate hormone receptor type 1, and we believe, based on the data we have and the scientific support for the target, we believe our approach is multifactorial, so treatment of a broader aspect of the NASH versus the current compounds in clinical development, most of them targeting very quite limited symptoms of the NASH disease. So that's I think that's the key advantage of our approach. So our compounds control the caloric intake, liver weight, and we believe they can. It can also effective in controlling the fibrosis and the inflammatory aspect of the NASH symptom.
Is this a small molecular drug?
It's a small molecule, yes.
Molecule, okay. And what do you think China will offer a good opportunity to develop your assets?
Yeah, I think, I mean, certainly as a Chinese, as a originally come from China, Chinese, hey, there is just in the past 3-4 years, there is just very dramatic change in terms of focus in innovative drug discovery. And in NASH, China has a huge population because the population and the diabetes patients, and because the more and more Western lifestyle, the NASH has become very prominent disease. So I think the market is here, and because the emphasis of innovative drug research, we see a lot of opportunity here in terms of funding and collaboration with local companies.
And when you decide to come to this partnering event, what are you looking to achieve?
It's my first time in ChinaBio, and we certainly like to meet with potential collaborators to see whether we can be a strategic partner, also to find strategic investors who are interested in our company and our assets.
Can you tell us your financing situation?
Currently we have, we've got a seed funding, which allow us to in-license the project to do some limited preclinical research, and we are currently looking for another round of financing to give us the opportunity to really move the programs forward.
And as you told us previously, this is mostly developed in-house.
The NASH program was developed in Albany Medical Research.
Okay.
Well, my co-founder and I used to work there, and we are very familiar with the program. My co-founder was the primary inventor of the project, of the compound, and led the program all the way from preclinical to phase 1.
So far, how do you find out the conference?
How do I find out?
How do you think about the conference now?
ChinaBio, yeah, I think it's a great venue, and I got a lot of meetings. I think I have really some good leads to follow up, and Zhuhai is a good place, and the activities, the commendations are really excellent.
Thanks so much, and good luck to you.
Thank you, Brian.